To have questions about a subject normally means already having a minimal amount of knowledge about that subject from which to build questions. But what if you are so new to fashion, you don't know where to start, and you don't have enough information to know what to ask? Myself and 9 other designers discussed what we wish we knew before going into the fashion industry as designers. This is a great compilation of hindsight advice. Hindsight is 2020. We have clear ideas of what we wish we knew when entering the industry as fashion designers, but we unfortunately didn't know at that time. Don't let these points be your professional blind spots. There are some reoccurring themes in this compilation. 1, technical side of design, like Illustrator, Photoshop, garment construction, pattern making, sewing techniques. These are technical skills that are directly related to the design and development process. Another theme was PLM software, which is product lifecycle management software. A third reoccurring theme was business and management side of the fashion industry. This is definitely something you don't learn enough of majoring in design. There's fashion business management as a major, so we don't actually get to learn a lot of that as a design major. Start looking at jobs now, even if you're not ready to apply, and see what skills they require for applicants. Doing a quick search in general fashion design jobs, reoccurring skills are PLM, Product Lifecycle Management Software, Adobe Creative Suite, especially Illustrator and Photoshop, Microsoft Office, especially Excel. You can find these 3 skills in almost every fashion design job posting. One of the biggest things I've been thinking about lately that I mentioned in the video is wishing I had a career path vision with clear steps on how to get to my goal. It's something I'm only sort of starting to figure out now. When I graduated college, it felt like the general message was, okay, now go to work in fashion. So that's what I did with no real plan. When I started working as a designer, I didn't love the day-to-day tasks and I didn't want to do what my bosses were doing. I looked at them thinking, is this what I'm supposed to be doing in 20 years? I don't want to do that. So I felt very lost for many years and I explored different options within fashion. I started my own brand to work for myself as a designer. I thought about leaving the fashion industry altogether. I explored working in a different side of the industry, like fashion journalism or merchandising. I basically came around full circle and I decided I wanted to keep working as a fashion designer, specifically a knitwear designer, which is what I have always been. But the difference now is I have a clearer vision of who I want to be and where I want to go. That is the only difference between the knitwear designer me 10 years ago and the knitwear designer me now. Sometimes it takes stepping away from what you know to appreciate what you have, if or when you decide to return to it. So Heidi put this video together. It was released as part of Heidi's YouTube series, Fashion Industry Secrets Revealed. There are 5 videos in that whole series, and I'll put the link below. If you don't already subscribe to her YouTube channel or her podcast, you should. I'll link them both below as well in the description. Check out Heidi's video and let me know below what piece of advice resonates the best with you.